going to be making a flower today, boys and girls, kind of like we did yesterday. But today, we're going to be using forks to paint our flower on our paper. So all you're going to need is some tempera paint, any color that you want to use, some crayons to draw some stems or some sun on your paper if you want to, or if you have more paint colors, you can use paint colors instead of crayons, a nice flat surface that you can put your paint on, some forks, one fork for each color, and a nice white piece of paper. There is construction paper in the back of your child's distance learning packet. There are lots of different colors to choose from. I'm using white today. And we're going to start this activity by putting our paint onto the plate. If you don't have tempera paint at home, then you can make some on your own with the recipe that's in our resource article that I shared with you on Dojo. I have one of my favorite colors, boys and girls. I have purple. And I'm also going to be using our turquoise color paint today. Once the paint is on the plate, all you're going to be doing is taking your fork and you're going to dip it into the paint color that you want to start with. So I'll show you on my paper. I'm going to start with our turquoise color. So I'm going to dip my fork into the paint. See all the paint on my fork? And then I'm going to work on making some lines. There's my first flower. I'm going to leave my fork on my plate so I don't make a big mess on the table. Now I'm going to do purple. Okay, there's my flower. If you want to, you can fill in the middle of your flower. Maybe you can scrape it around. Those lines. Did you ever think that you could paint with a fork, boys and girls? And if you want to make other kinds of flowers, you can make some little flowers at the bottom of your paper. You can make a whole garden. Once your paper dries, then you can add some other things to it. I'm not going to wait for mine to dry though. I'm just going to start drawing. Flower garden. And that's it for our fork art activity. Once you're done, then you can let it dry and then hang it up in your house. You can also, like I said, add some extra things to your painting. Maybe you can hide some things in your picture, just like in our Counting in the Garden book that we read this morning, boys and girls. Maybe you can try and hide some things in your garden and see if your mom and dad can find it. If you make a flower fork art, can you send me a picture on Dojo? I want to see what you guys created. Have a good day.